Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the location of the Quickbase offices. I know that many of you are interested in learning more about Quickbase, and I'm happy to be able to provide you with some information. Before I get started, I want to take a moment to thank Quickbase for their support of my channel. They have been incredibly helpful in providing me with information and resources that I need to create high-quality content for you all. So, where are the Quickbase offices located? The Quickbase headquarters are located in Andover, Massachusetts. They also have offices in Burlington, Massachusetts, San Francisco, California, and London, England. If you are looking to visit the Quickbase headquarters, you can find their address and contact information on their website. In addition to their main offices, Quickbase also has a number of remote employees. These employees work from home or from other locations around the world. Quickbase offices: Andover, Massachusetts; Burlington, Massachusetts; San Francisco, California; London, England. Remote employees: Quickbase has a number of remote employees who work from home or from other locations around the world. Why is it important to know where the Quickbase offices are located? There are a number of reasons why you might want to know where the Quickbase offices are located. If you are looking for a job at Quickbase, you will need to know where the offices are located in order to apply. If you are a customer of Quickbase, you may need to contact the company directly. Knowing where the offices are located can help you to get in touch with the right people. If you are interested in learning more about Quickbase, you may want to visit one of their offices. How to get to the Quickbase headquarters in Andover, Massachusetts. If you are planning to visit the Quickbase headquarters in Andover, Massachusetts, here are a few tips. The nearest airport is Boston Logan International Airport. From the airport, you can take a taxi or rental car to Andover. The Quickbase headquarters are located at 100 Old River Road, Andover, Massachusetts 01810. What to expect when you visit the Quickbase headquarters? When you visit the Quickbase headquarters, you can expect to be greeted by a friendly and welcoming staff. You will also have the opportunity to tour the facilities and learn more about Quickbase products and services. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about the location of the Quickbase offices, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will come back again soon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you have. I will see you next time.